Most people get this wrong and immediately assume their Amazon gift card is broken or fake, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is fine. The issue is usually something simple like redemption errors, account mismatch, or regional restrictions. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Amazon gift card is not working in 2026, and how to fix it step by step, so you can use your balance without stress. Let's start with the most common problem. The code is entered incorrectly. It sounds basic, but Jake tries to redeem a card and accidentally mixes up letters like O and 0 or B and 8. Amazon codes are case sensitive, and must be entered exactly as shown. So always double check before retrying. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if your code is correct, Amazon may block it if it was already redeemed on another account. This happens more often than people think, especially with second-hand or discounted gift cards. But here's the problem many users face. They don't realize Amazon gift cards are region locked. So if Alex buys a US Amazon gift card, but tries to redeem it on an India account, it simply will not work. The system will reject it even if the code is valid. So the first fix is simple. Check your account region. Make sure your Amazon account matches the country where the gift card was issued. Next, check your redemption method. Go to Amazon, log in, and navigate to gift cards and reload. Enter the code manually instead of copying and pasting. Sometimes hidden spaces cause errors. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or switch to the Amazon app. Many users don't realize that temporary glitches in the browser can block redemption attempts. Now, let's talk about another hidden issue. Sometimes Amazon temporarily disables gift card redemption if suspicious activity is detected. This can happen if there are too many failed attempts or if the account is new. In that case, wait a few hours and try again. If nothing works, your last step is contacting Amazon support. Provide the exact error message, your code, and proof of purchase. If the card is valid and unused, they can usually resolve it. Also, be careful with scams. If someone tells you they can unlock your gift card for a fee, that is almost always fake. Only Amazon support can fix redemption issues. So, to summarize clearly, most Amazon gift card problems come from incorrect entry, region mismatch, or already used codes. Once you check these three things, the issue usually gets solved quickly. If this helped you fix your problem, like the video, comment what error you are seeing, and subscribe for more simple tech guides that actually work.